level. Is she on?
Yeah. And I'm gonna hardly turn it now.
So we are headed to, I gotta go forward idle. So we are headed to Georgetown today. We're gonna go out the cut over here. We're gonna have to go under some power because it's might be a little rowdy, but we'll see. Hopefully not. The wind's been rowdy for the last like 6 days, and so we're finally just getting a window to go, which is exciting. So anyways, the wind looked good to somewhat sail today, and we are going to be headed to Georgetown.
Yeah, good job.
It's a lot easier no matter how tight.
One more.
Oh, I can hardly tug it.
At a cut, and it turns out there's more wind than was predicted coming against the current, which makes for a really rowdy exit. I would say that's definitely the most green water we've taken over the bow. Just gonna go out a little further, and then we're gonna fall off to starboard and hopefully have a nice long reach all the way down to Georgetown.
We're all seasick. The inlet was rough, and I think we all threw up except for Riker. And you, poor Torn, and I got it the worst.
The bull. I'll gap him.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, keep him in the water though.
He has a bunch of meat for sure. He's a big fish.
Wow, he is so pretty.
Whoa! Look at all those teeth. He has so many front rows of teeth.
Wow, so pretty. Okay, I don't remember what these are called, but we have a really cool cookbook for cruisers, and he says they're delicious, and no one ever harvests them. And then we're just collecting a whole bunch. Once they get onto you, you can't get them off. So let me. So the elements, guys, you just gotta go quick, and then just pop right off.
2 bottles full. He should do it.
Do you want me to take it, Tor?
Yeah.
So here's our bottle of chittens that we were going to eat, but are no longer going to eat. So we're now going to release them, huh, right? Aw, they're all happy. Here, put them back, Tor.
Where's he? Yeah, they're all suctioning already.
Yeah, look at her.
There's a stone.
There's the last couple.
So this morning we are getting ready to leave Georgetown. We gotta get going. Our visa's almost up, so we're gonna go. At least we're heading in the right direction, back to Florida.
Not very good wind today for sailing, so we're kind of motor sailing, and we were hungry, and I haven't cooked underway very much, and so I decided I would practice cooking underway. So I'm making grandma's corn chowder. Not my grandma, but a grandma came up with some really good corn chowder. It has onions, bacon, potatoes, corn, some chicken bouillon, and then here's cream and milk, some half and half that I'm gonna pour on it when it's ready, and then we're gonna put some bacon on top. And he's just over here chopping. Here's the fiddle that keeps things from sliding off. It really hasn't been too crazy today anyway.
We're kind of making our way back to the States, so we're moving a lot very quickly. Stayed here at Black Point for one night, going to Big Majors, and after Big Majors is Highborn, so.
Feeling supremely lazy today, so we're gonna drop the sails and go into Big Majors and just hang out, I guess, until tomorrow. And do some sailing north, doing some downwinding. Hopefully have enough wind. Try and get out of the Bahamas before this other low pressure. The water's so clear, you can see the anchor up there. Extra one.
Grandma!
Yeah, no, more down here.
Washing machine. It's fairly simple. Put the clothes in, detergent in. So I was harassing Dallin, saying I didn't see our VHF antenna. We've had issues with it today. I think it's gone. Dallin checked. We're 99.9% sure that our VHF antenna on top of the mast is missing.
Well, because I noticed that our range of AIS where we pick up vessels is like, usually reaches out like, I don't know, 20, 30 miles. And right now I'm only seeing within like a mile. And I'm like, what's going on? Or a couple miles. And then when we were trying to use it to radio our friends, it like wasn't working. I guess somehow, I have no idea, the antenna is just gone. So we have a backup just on our radar. It reaches like far enough, but not super far. So anyway, I have an extra antenna. I was actually gonna replace that one, so I might have to go up there and do that. We're essentially trying to anchor right as a squall is like hitting the anchorage. So we went from 0 wind to 20 knots right now. Hopefully it doesn't get any stronger than that.
It's not as windy, it's like 15 knots, but it is pouring. So we're gonna go through that channel, go through Mackey Shoals for a short amount of time, and then cross New Providence Channel to West End and be anchored there to stage ourselves to head back to Florida.